It shrunk.
Try again.
Oh, enough! Ugh. It fits!
Bad luck, miss.
You must love me, dilly dilly, for I love you.
Very well.
You shall be queen. Lavender's green, dilly dilly, lavender's blue. If you love me, dilly and the lambs play, we shall be safe, dilly.
Do you hear that, Your Grace?
Let's be off, Captain.
Just a moment. There is no other maiden in your house?
None.
Then has your cat learned to sing?
There's been enough play acting today, Captain. But we're leaving.
Grand Duke.
Majesty.
What sweet singing. Makes me want to tarry just a little.
Your Majesty, I did
Captain,
not know.
would you be so kind as to investigate?
It would be my pleasure, Your Majesty. You are requested and required to present yourself to your king.
I forbid you to do this.
And I forbid you to forbid her. Who are you to stop an officer of the king? Are you an empress? A saint? A deity?
I am her mother.
You have never been, and you never will be my mother.